Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm going to be announcing the winner for the free giveaway at the end of this video. And now I'm just cooking our dinner, which is a full chicken. So I'm going to put that on the fire. So earlier I marinated it with rosemary, what else was it? Garlic, ginger and peri sauce. So, and I put vegetables inside the chicken, so got some pepper in there and some tomatoes. So looking forward to that. I think it's going to be pretty tasty. So the chicken and the corn is now ready. Gonna see the finished outcome and tuck in. Ooh. Oh, it's looking good. And there, all the vegetables inside. I think we're gonna put it back on, I reckon, for about 15 more minutes. So it's cooked all the way through and it goes nice and crispy. Yeah, sound good?
Yeah.
Back on it goes. So we're going to enjoy this meal now, guys. How is it?
Oh, good.
I'm liking the hat. Link will be in the description. So now time for the announcement. So let's go. This one. Who's this? Steve Taylor. First winner. Second one. We've got Ken Allen. Ooh, Ken Allen. And now for the final winner. Pasty. So these are our lucky winners. We've got Ken Allen, Steve Taylor and Pasty. So if you guys privately message me on Instagram and I will get your sporks sent out to you. Thank you so much for watching.